Have you ever stopped to consider if your friendships are genuine? Many people believe they have true friends, but the reality is that they don't. Just because someone is physically present doesn't mean they are emotionally invested in the friendship. This video is crucial, but it may be uncomfortable for some. If you're not ready for the truth, you may want to skip it. In this video, we will discuss 3 indications that suggest you don't have authentic friendships. Make sure you watch all the way to the end, or you might remain unaware of your fake friendships. Now, before we get into it, please do a brother a solid favor and leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, brother, I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into it. Number 3. No exchange of value. This may be an uncomfortable truth, but every relationship involves an exchange of value, and the more value exchanged, the better the friendship. It could be that you have a friend who is very wise and has excellent social skills with women, while you yourself are good at business and exercising. In this type of friendship, you would benefit from the knowledge that your friend possesses, while your friend would be positively impacted by your competence in business and fitness. The value exchanged between friends doesn't necessarily have to be similar. What is important is that both parties engage in mutual value exchange. The more value exchanged, the stronger the friendship. Number 2. No shared principles. Many people mistakenly believe that just because they engage in certain activities with someone, they are friends. But this is not true friendship. Friendship is not built on shared hobbies, but on shared values and principles. If you only hang out with someone because of a common interest and would not still be friends if that interest were no longer there, then they are not your real friends. In the past, men understood the importance of choosing their friends carefully because it could be a matter of life or death. They had to share the same code of honor and principles to be considered true friends. However, in modern times, people don't choose their friends based on values and principles anymore. Consequently, they often face the consequences of their choices. If you choose your friends based solely on shared interests, then you are responsible for any betrayal or harm that they cause you. You can't blame someone else for your lack of discernment. The truth is, the qualities that make someone a true friend have nothing to do with external factors like appearance, social status, or hobbies. The most important thing is that you and your friend share the same core principles. Ask yourself, are you willing to stand up for each other, even in the most dangerous situations? If your friend is a coward, they will abandon you when you need them most. And it's not enough for them to just claim they are loyal. You need to pay attention to their actions. Are you both honest with each other, even if the truth is painful? Do you always have each other's back, even when there's money or girls involved? These are the kinds of questions that reveal the true strength of a friendship. If your friendship is only based on surface-level things like having fun together, it's not a true friendship at all. True friendship is built on a shared sense of values and principles, and the willingness to go to the ends of the earth for each other. Number 1. Snakes. Although rare, some friends can be treacherous snakes. As previously mentioned, most people don't bother to think deeply about their principles and values, and this is their own fault. However, there are a few individuals who pretend to share your principles and values. They might even offer you genuine value. However, deep down, they are nothing more than slippery snakes who are after your trust. You can think of them as undercover cops who need to blend in and gain your trust before they can shut down your operation. These people know that they cannot approach you with hate and negativity, so they use favors and good deeds to get close to you. But beware, good deeds can mask a wicked heart. Just because someone's actions are good doesn't mean that their heart is pure. Once these people win your trust, they know that your guard is down, and that they can carry out their intentions undetected. This is why friends and family can sometimes inflict the most damage, because some of them never had good intentions from the outset. However, I am not implying that people can never be trusted, or that all friends will betray you. There are genuinely good people out there who deserve your trust and loyalty, but you should always be cautious and ensure that you are a good friend yourself. It's possible that you might have a period in your life when you have to go it alone. However, this is always preferable to having fake friends. Just keep in mind that eventually, you will encounter good people who deserve your trust. When that happens, You would be a fool not to let them into your life, even if you have had bad experiences with fake friends. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do a brother a solid favor and leave a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.